I have this feeling inside me that I always try to hide. This feeling I've never ended, didn't ever survive. I realize it only cost me pain. So I try to forget about this feeling, always remain. Tell me why I will survive. Stop my tears and keep it inside. Hold me by myself from being close to you. Here I am all alone, so I spend with confusion, not knowing how to help around my decision. I can't get you out of my mind, I don't know what to do. This feeling I ever growing, this feeling I feel for you. Tell me why I ever survived. Stop my tears and keep it inside. Holding by myself from being close to you. Tell me why I ever survived. Stop my tears and keep it inside. Holding by myself from being close to you. No one realizing I'm going through.